So this is a NEOFFI inventory. So it is a shorter version of Neo personality inventory developed by Costa and McRae, and it measures the big five personality traits that those are neuroticism, extraversion, openness, agreeableness, and conscientiousness. Neuroticism refers to emotional instability, anxiety, and moodiness.
How you are going to give instruction, and please explain this. Instruction to the class subject and what you are going to measure.
So in this NEOFFI inventory, we are supposed to measure the personality traits of an individual. So the respondents, as a tester, the respondents are given this sheet, and in this sheet we can see there are some statements that has been written over here. So according to these statements that has been written over here, the respondents are needed to mark their answers in these columns. So each column refers to all the five personality traits. The first column refers to the neuroticism, extraversion, openness,
Okay.
and the rest of the traits.
So you have marked the responses in
Yeah.
the scoring key.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the response, it is marked based on the 5 Likert scale. So it starts from strongly disagree, neutral, agreeableness, strongly agree.
Okay.
But in this Likert scale also, there is, while we score, there is a reverse scoring also.
Okay.
So
what is reverse scoring and how it is used?
So for example, in this question number 3, it is reverse scored, which is, I don't like to waste my time daydreaming. So sometimes it is necessary to be score the results reversely, because sometimes we cannot give a positive response to a negative statement.
Okay. So you don't want to give a positive response to a negative statement.
That's why
then reverse scoring is used. So here you have marked reverse scoring.
Yeah, in some of the items, so for example, number 1, number 3, number 8, these items are reverse scored, but this is something that the respondents doesn't know. As a tester, we should keep that in mind while scoring.
So it depends upon the intelligence of the tester.
Yeah.
Okay, psychologists, that how they are going to measure. Okay, fine.
So this till here, it's the responsibility of the respondent. All the duty of the respondent is done till here, and now as a tester, we need to score the items. So to score the items, the same Likert scale and the same columns has been printed out here, but the only difference is that in here there are marks instead of strongly disagree, neutral, agreeableness.
Okay, 53210.
Yeah, 43210. That is the reverse scoring, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the normal scoring.
So how you have scored this? On what basis?
So I have scored exactly like how since both of these are the same table actually. The only difference is it's marked as SD, NA, SA and all, but here there are the actual scores. So we have to mark exactly now like
the same thing.
Yeah.
For
like
example, here this is what D.
Yeah, D.
And here this is 3.
3.
So same like in the same way you have to score.
Yeah, we have to score.
So this table is called
The raw score table.
raw score table in terms of numbers on the basis of 5-point Likert scale.
Yes.
Okay, fine.
So in order to score this table, we have to add these numbers according to the column. So it's 3 plus 3 plus 4. Then we have to add all these numbers, and to which we have gained this result as 33. Similar way, we have to score it in a column way.
Okay.
Now moving on to the next, after we find out the row score,
Raw scores you have collected.
yeah,
Then
again we need to move to this page, which have the longer columns. Now we have to keep in mind these scorings are different for male, females and combined. So according to the respondent's gender that you have selected, we have to score the marks here.
So if the subject is female, so you are going to use
This table
Okay, where?
in the middle one.
In the middle one, which is for females.
Females. And for males, since my respondent is a male, so I have used this first table.
Okay.
For neuroticism, my respondent scored around 33. So I have marked it 31, 32, 33 here.
Okay.
And he scored, for extraversion, he scored around 43. Sorry, 23. So I marked it above 21, 22 and 23. So like this, we have to mark the raw score in these,
For every trait,
For every trait.
column, you have to mark scores on the basis of gender.
Yes.
Okay, if the subject is female, you have to mark accordingly, and if the subject is male, you have to mark accordingly.
Yes.
Okay, in this long column. Okay, okay, fine. Then.
Yes. After we have marked the raw score in these columns according to the personality traits, now we have to check the percentile ranks of all these traits.
So percentile ranks are written. where
Written
you have
as
marked.
very low, average, high and very high.
For example, here you have
So for example, my male respondent scored 33 as in the neuroticism. So it falls under the 75th percentile column, which is very high as of the neuroticism trait. So
yes. So here male, female is written, male, female,
yes,
and combined.
yes.
So combined scores are also how you are going to find out. Okay. So male, female, you have find out,
Yes.
and then T. This is what T score.
T score.
Okay. Okay, fine.
So after you have marked, after we have marked the raw scores and we have come to know the percentile ranks of all the scores and where they lie, we come to the discussion of and interpretation of all these columns.
So on the basis of this T score, what is your intervention? What is your how you are going to discuss the results?
Yes. So for neuroticism, my subject scored 33. In
33 here
Yes.
it is 33.
33.
Okay.
So through which we can interpret that the subject scored very high, which indicates that they are more vulnerable to stress and prone to worry.
Neuroticism, towards neuroticism. And
N.
yes,
Yes,
they are
so
more vulnerable.
They are more vulnerable to stress and prone to worry and guilt and insecurity.
Okay.
And moving on to the extraversion, my respondent scored 23.
23. Yes.
23 around here. So, which is marked as low. Through
So average.
some
Acha,
low. Through which we can understand and interpret that the subject is very reserved, quiet and prefers small group, and is not necessarily happy, just less socially driven.
Okay, fine.
Next, moving on to the openness, my subject scored 27,
And this is their
which is like average.
average.
Through which we can interpret that the subject is open to new ideas, but still grounded into the familiar surroundings.
Okay, fine.
Next, moving on to the agreeableness, my subject scored 23, which is
Here.
around here,
This is very low.
which is very low. Through which we can interpret that the subject is very competitive, skeptical, blunt, less concerned with others' feelings, and come up as argumentative or hostile.
Okay.
And lastly, for the conscientiousness, the subject scored 29, which is around here,
Okay.
and is very low.
Low.
So, through which we can interpret that the subject is spontaneous, careless, disorganized, and less goal-directed, and is also easily distracted and can be flexible and fun, but may lack reliability.
Okay. So we can conclude that your subject is male.
Male.
You have scored on the basis of 5-point Likert scale. Okay, and on the basis of their responses you have given numbers.
Yes.
And then on the basis of this chart you have find out that if this is male part, and T score is identified on the basis of the total score, raw scores, neuroticism, extroversion, etc. And then on the basis of which you have interpreted the results. Okay, so thank you very much.